Sometimes I don't know if I'm going back to my past. Caught in a place that is moving too fast. Now I know I just need to let it pass. What is life? To live and let it go. To face the future and the things you know. Change is painful, change is hard, but I look ahead and I still believe there is more to choose, with nothing left to lose.